go buy potato, onion, tomato, and cucumber and potato. Yeah, we're gonna cook. Okay, let's go. Go inside. Go inside. Yeah. I put in the garbage, guys. The what is the name that? I need to put it there. Okay guys, let's go. And goodbye. Okay, later again guys. Okay, guys, we are here in sorry as well. We're just gonna buy the tomato and cucumber. Tomato, cucumber, and onion. Yeah. Okay, sorry so. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, take care of it. Onion. It's okay, 3 pieces. Onion, tomato, cucumber, and potato. That is, I'm going to cook. Yeah. Add one. Okay, guys. This is the nearest small supermarket. Yeah, usually I'm buying from here. Okay guys, later again. Okay guys, we already bought that we are going to cook, and we will just going to cook the lunch. Actually here also it's new, it's already opening the small supermarket. It's like the grocery, it's new opening, but I need to also try them how much. So which one is lower? Maybe that one or maybe this one, which is the lower they are selling, lower price. Okay, later guys again. I'm just going to cook. Guys, let's eat. Seed polo, guys. That is Persian style seed polo with potato, dry peel, and Iranian style rice also. How are you guys? I hope everyone good and happy. Okay, let's go eat. And about the Kian, guys, her mother informed me Kian he not making poo again because since he left from me the Kian, and then he should be all the time go to the toilet because his doctor said he need to be sit on the bowl all the time. But since from me he's not anymore here at home with her mother. That's why now again delay his poo. Before he was with me, and I maintenance him every day, asking him if he can go make poo. Yeah, but now her mother said we are not making poo almost 5 days, 6 days. That is not good, guys, because of the kidney here. Yeah, that's why if he's here, if her mother also were here already now, every day he's going to see her, he's listening to me. But the medicine I sent to her mom, the powder, until they give to him every day. Okay guys, let's eat. Let's see our food. Let's see polo Iranian style. Okay, let's try. I make salad also, that tomato, onion, cucumber. This one, yeah. Yes. Okay, that's it. Actually guys, I am checking also my picture that when I was small with my sister, and this is me also when I am small, not small, that time I was 20 plus, 24, 23. Yeah, that's my album picture. I have family album picture with my sister, with my father, with my brother. Okay, next time let's talk about that. Okay guys, let's eat food and then later again. Okay guys, we can try rice eating. Okay guys, That's why Candy's sleeping. Candy, you want to sleep? Anna, you want to sleep? Candy, you want to sleep? Look, he's jealous, guys. I already watched the Kian dress clothes. We miss a Kian. We miss a Kian. She miss a Kian. Because Kian is playing with the cookie. Right, guys? In my previous vlog, you can see. Okay. Don't jealous. Don't jealous. Sit down. Don't jealous. This is your mommy. Don't jealous. Okay, guys. And later, okay, we already eat our lunch, yeah, and then I will give to Candy and Cookie also the food. They eat also food, yeah.